guys, it is Katie. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Right down below, click the red button. But in today's video, I'm finally doing probably my most requested video, and I don't know why, because actually I don't know why, I'm Gordon Ramsay, honestly. No, but seriously, I get asked to film like recipes and like healthy meal idea videos all the time. I like to eat pretty healthy, and I always have like random foods all the time, and I always have them on like my Instagram, and I guess my friends see them at school, so I always get asked to film how to make them. In today's video, I decided I would share 3 of my favorite dinner ideas. I just filmed 3 of my dinners that I had throughout the week, and then also a workout that I did this week as well. Let me guys know if you want to see any more of these videos, because I have so many other recipes that I make. Without further ado, let's get into the recipes. Hey guys, so it is currently Monday, and I thought I would share with you one of my favorite dinner recipes. I actually haven't had this in ages, so I'm really excited, and that is a burrito bowl, or a Mexican bowl. I think I change what I call it every single time I make it, but it's probably one of my favorite dinners to make, and my family love it as well. By the way, none of these meals are going to be like some extravagant, innovative dinner. Innovative, that's like a word we use in business all the time. Innovative like recipe. It's just going to be like healthy, yum dinners, because I always get questions about this like from my friends and stuff. So to make this dinner, you're going to need rice, because that's the base of these bowls, and then you're going to need mince. Every time I use mince, I like to use the extra lean one. You're going to need burrito seasoning. This is my favorite. I get the one for burritos. If I'm using chicken, I'll get the fajita seasoning, because I think that tastes really good with chicken. But for beef, I like burrito better. An onion, beans, which I know some people hate. I love beans, so I'm going to be using them. I'm using kidney beans today, but you can use black beans. And you also need salsa, Greek yogurt, and cheese. It's literally such a quick dinner. The thing that takes the longest is cooking the rice, so that's what I'm going to cook first. I like to do a 1/4 cup of rice for each person. So whilst the rice is cooking, you're going to want to cut up your onion. So you want to dice your onion, or get an onion. Ooh, did everyone just see that? Or just buy an onion cutter from Kmart. Okay, so once you've cut up the onion, what is my hands doing? Oh, can everyone do this little like thing on TikTok where it's like, you know, like the body roll? Like, I can't do it. I wish I was like a naturally good dancer. Anyway, we're gonna get a pan. This isn't a pan, a pot. So we're gonna add some olive oil into the pan, and then your onion. And then you're gonna saute that until the onion becomes transparent or clear. Once the onion is transparent, you then add the mince. And then once that's brown, you add your seasoning in. And while all of that is doing that, your beans, rinse and drain them. Make sure you rinse them. Thank me later for that. And then add those in, and then let them cook for like 10 minutes, because you don't want the beans to be like really hard. It's now time to start assembling the bowls. So you're gonna get a scoop of rice, a scoop of the meat. Okay, so it's now time for the toppings. You're gonna need some salsa. I hate not being able to open these. I feel so weak. It's literally one of my biggest pet hates, not being able to open things for myself, because I feel not an independent woman. May not be strong, but I am smart. A scoop of salsa. Usually I would just slap this on, but I'm trying to make it look cute for this. Then you want to get your Greek yogurt. This is Greek yogurt with lemon juice, which is the substitute for sour cream. Obviously, if you just want sour cream, just have sour cream, but Greek yogurt tastes exactly the same in my opinion. This makes everything taste good. Voila! Yay! I'll give you guys a close-up. I promise you, they taste a lot better than they look. That is them all finished. Hey guys, I am back. It is currently Wednesday, and I'm going to be sharing my next dinner idea. Also, I did not just put on makeup just to film dinner. That would be really really sad of me, but I wouldn't put it past me either because that's probably something I would do. But I've been taking Instagram photos today, which actually, now that I think about it, I don't think that's any better. I don't really know what's worse. Today's dinner is pasta. I make this at least once a week, and I probably consume it at least 3 times a week minimum. I meal prep this. I devour this. I consume this on a daily. It is my favorite because obviously my favorite food is pasta. This is how I like to make it, that incorporates heaps of veggies and heaps of protein and heaps of nutritional value food. So yeah, I'm gonna be making that today. This is probably, every time I bring it to school, everyone's like, how do you make it? How do you make it? So I'm gonna do that. So yeah, let's do that. So first things first, we're gonna cut a onion. I'm pretty sure my head is getting cut off right now. My forehead is pretty big, so maybe that's doing me favors. To be honest, I really could just lift up my tripod, but I'm quite lazy and I really can't be bothered doing that. So I'm sorry if that annoys you. Just a little disclaimer to all my fellow Italians. This isn't like some gourmet Mario and Luigi like pasta dish. I can make that. I do pride myself on that. I can make a really good bolognese. This is a quick, easy spag bowl, like Aussie version, that is healthy and has heaps of veggies. So yeah, if you're looking for some gourmet shit, I can film that. I'm not gonna lie, I am a really good chef. But today's video is not the day. I have a zucchini and 2 carrots, and they're the vegetables I'm going to use in my bolognese. Okay, so in a large pot, I'm pretty sure we established that's what that's called. You want to heat your oil, your garlic, and your chopped onion. In a food processor, I did that to the carrots, and I'm going to do that to the zucchini as well. And I'm going to add that in once the onion that I'm about to put in that pot is cooked and sauteed and transparent. I'm pretty sure the chefs say. Okay, once your veggies are cooking, now add in your mince. I'm just using the same mince as last time. The only thing is, this is actually a day past its best before date. I asked Mum and she said it was fine, but she could be trying to poison me. So if this is where the video ends, you know that it was death by cow. Obviously incorporate the mince and the veggies all together. This usually serves me around 6 serves, sometimes 7, sometimes 5. But it depends how much veggies you use and how big you bulk it up. Also, I want to say, yes, I was wearing this jumper in the last time I was cooking. Have I showered? You'll never know. Actually, no, of course I've showered. No, but seriously, I'm like living in this jumper. But anyway, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is add in the sauce, obviously. So once the mince has browned, you wanna add your pasta sauce in. I use the Keep It Cleaner pasta sauce. I love this one. I love all of Keep It Cleaner's products, but I love this one because literally the only ingredients in it are Australian grown tomatoes, onions, garlic, basil, sea salt, and citric acid. So it's got like no like nasties. But you can use a passata sauce if you can't get this. This is only at Coles. To make it a bit more tomatoey, don't think that's a word, I add in a can of diced tomatoes. So once the beef is minced, once the mince has browned, then I'll add those in. Before I add in the tomato pasta sauce, I add in a beef stock cube. Okay, I just put a lid on it. I'm gonna let that simmer for like 20 minutes and then start cooking the pasta. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. I'm now gonna cook up my pasta. I wanted to show you guys the pasta I use. It is the Keep It Cleaner red lentil pasta. I love this pasta because it's super high in protein and fiber, and it's just really super yum. I just cooked my pasta. It looks so good. I just had to take photos of it and try and make it look really appealing, but I promise it tastes good. I always top my pasta with nutritional yeast, which is like a vegan cheese. It makes it taste really good. And then regular cheese, so I don't really know what's the point of that. I like to just I don't know, it tastes really good. So yeah, that is my pasta recipe. I literally am so excited to eat this. This is it with all the cheese on it. Now we're gonna mix it. Look at the steam coming off it. Oh my god. This smells so good. I don't know what accent that is. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little look-see of my big bowl of pasta. Tell me that does not look amazing. It's so hot. Oh my god. So yum. Good morning. It's currently like 7, which to be fair doesn't really sound that early because of like online school. That is so early, but I need to get up and do my workout, but it's so cold and I just want to stay in my warm bed. But we're gonna get up and we're gonna go do my workout. I've just finished my workout. I'm actually dead. I also did 5 minutes of abs at the end. I'm actually dead, so I'm gonna go shower. But I'm just gonna explain my workout quickly. So basically I did a HIIT workout, but instead of doing like the traditional HIIT workout where you have time on and then time off, so like say 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, and you work for 30 seconds and have a 30-second break in between. I like to do it so that there's no breaks in between and you go from exercise to exercise for 30 seconds. So did that even make sense? I do a total of 6 exercises, each for 30 seconds with no breaks in between, and I do that 4 times. Obviously between rounds, the 4 rounds, I have a break, but that's kind of how I like to do it rather than like the traditional HIIT, I guess. Hi guys, it is Katie. So we are now on to our last meal together. I'm sad but excited because this is probably my favorite. Actually, is it my favorite? Basically, we're going to be making, why am I out of breath? We are going to be making pizzas. So it's super easy. I've just gotten these wraps. They're just from Mission. They're whole grain. They're super good. And we're just basically going to turn them into a pizza. I'm making this for my family as well. So that is why I'm making so many. I put spinach on mine just because it's extra veg, and also in the oven it like wilts, so it becomes a bit smaller, so you can't taste it as much. This is my mum's and she absolutely hates spinach, but I'm going to put a little bit on hers because she needs to eat more vegetables. She eats none. Then we're going to add shredded chicken, and now you're going to add capsicum, and then obviously cheese, and then last but not least, add your barbecue sauce. Probably open it first. And then voila! I'm gonna put these in the oven and then just cook them until the cheese melts and you are done. Okay, the pizza is out of the oven. It looks so good. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat and TikTok. They are all down below. And yeah, bye guys. Mwah.